A very good morning to all of you students. So today in physics class we will continue our chapter number 13, that is sound. So in the previous class we have discussed the differences between noise and music. Noise is the unwanted, unpleasant sound. Okay, it causes irritation to the ears, have bad effect on the health of the person. Okay, so now when there is excessive unwanted noise in the surroundings, when there is excessive unwanted noise in the surroundings, this is known as noise pollution. So as we have discussed in case of air pollution in biology chapter, that when there is unwanted harmful gases in the environment, in the air, that is called air pollution. Similarly, when there is excessive unwanted noise, when there is excessive unwanted noise in the environment, in the surroundings, then this is referred to as noise pollution. Okay, so as we have discussed that the noise pollution can be harmful for the organisms, for the living organisms especially. So now let us first discuss the sources of noise pollution. What are the sources of noise pollution? So basically, first of all, the horns, the traffic, the sound produced by horns of the automobiles, vehicles, traffic. So first of all, the first source is horns of vehicles, noise of traffic. Okay. Secondly, the other source for noise pollution may be explosions. Explosions means bursting of something, like bursting of crackers, fireworks. Okay, so they also produce sound, noise. Okay, they also produce noise. So explosions include bursting of crackers and fireworks. So they are also a source of noise pollution. Okay, there can be noise produced by working of machines. When there is working of machines in the industries, in the factories, so that also produce very unwanted noise. Okay, so the working of machines is also a source of noise pollution. There are also many other sources, like when DJ and loudspeakers are made to play at large volumes. Okay, so they also produce noise pollution. Then there are loudspeakers, transistors, which are the sources of noise pollution. Okay, so these are some causes of noise pollution. There are also various other unwanted sounds which causes noise pollution. Okay, so basically these are the sources of noise pollution: horns of the vehicles, noise from the traffic, explosions which include bursting of crackers, then we have noise produced by working of machines, DJ, loudspeakers, okay, transistors. All these are the sources of noise pollution, create excessive unwanted noise, that is referred to as noise pollution. So there may be other causes, like other sources of noise pollution, like the working of kitchen appliances like mixer, juicers. Okay, they also produce noise, unwanted sounds. There are also the sound produced by air conditioners, coolers. Okay, so all these machines also produce noise pollution. Okay, so now what are the harmful effects of noise pollution? What are the harmful effects of noise pollution. So if there is excessive unwanted sounds, noise pollutions in the surroundings, then the person living there can suffer from various serious problems, various serious health problems. First of all, the very first problem is stress. When there is a lot of noise around a person, then there is stress, headache, okay. Then there can be very serious issue, that is hypertension. Hypertension is a problem of high blood pressure, means the blood pressure of the person gets high blood pressure, which can cause various serious problems. And hypertension is a very serious problem, and it can be caused by noise pollution. Hypertension means high blood pressure. The blood pressure is high. Okay. There can be lack of sleep. A person is not able to sleep when there is noise around him or her. So there is lack of sleep, which causes stress, headache. It can cause hypertension, high blood pressure. Okay. There can be very serious diseases like loss of hearing. A person can permanently or temporarily lose the sense to hear, okay, which is called hearing disability or hearing impairment. Okay, so hearing disability can occur. The person cannot able to listen the sound near him. It can be permanent or temporary. So these are very harmful effects of noise pollution: stress, headache, hypertension, lack of sleep, high blood pressure, loss of hearing or hearing disability. So there should be not excessive noise in the surroundings for a healthy body and a healthy mind. Okay.